Hey guys, it's Jessa here with another quick Etsy tip. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add facts or FAQs, frequently asked questions, to your Etsy store. It's really easy and it's going to save you a lot of time because customers can access these, they can read the commonly asked questions that everyone's asking about your products and help them make a decision to buy a product. So I'm going to jump in. So this is my brand new store, That Jessa B. I'm going to be adding some facts. So to do that, I'm going to hit Edit Shop. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you can see where it says more information, frequently asked questions, and this is where we can go ahead and add some facts. So I'm going to go add a fact, and there's lots of options in here, or you can actually select custom as well, which is the one that I use all the time because I always have really sort of specific questions, and it's as simple as going test, go save, and then that will be all updated in the shop. If I hit view shop, scroll to the bottom, beautiful, it's sitting right there, which is super cool. So I hope this was helpful. It's actually part of a series on Etsy, so if you want to sort of binge some really short videos all on learning Etsy, I have got the playlist just here. I would love you guys to join my community and subscribe to my channel because I bring out new videos every single week on growing your business online. I will see you guys around. Thank you for watching. Bye.